How do you pronounce these words? We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary as well in English, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Two different pronunciations in English, so let's break them down. In British English it's said as autonomic, stress on the third no syllable, autonomic. Autonomic. Now in American English it's usually said as autonomic, autonomic, autonomic or autonomic. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.